Now, how to develop the concept, because the analytical questions are there. What I have since like I have appeared in 4 or 5 mains exam, I have understood that you need to be very curious when it comes to DGS, and you have to think more, because if you are unsure, like, you should try to solve the practical situations in your mind. Suppose you are reading about a legal news, some court, Supreme Court is giving any judgment, or any anything is happening on the news, some, there may be an encounters, or for example anything, any event which has legal repercussions, which is going to have legal repercussions. So observe why, what can happen, इसमें क्या हो सकता है, like if some party has gone to court, how they have approached that particular forum, इन्होंने SLP ही क्यों फाइल किया, रिव्यू क्यों किया, क्यूरेटिव में क्यों गए, मर्सी पिटीशन में कैसे आ गए। तो ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। जब आप ये सब, when you start observing these things, then your mind starts to open up, you try to automatically होने लग जाता है। सो माइंड ओपन करना ही सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है डीजीएस के अंदर, बिकॉज देयर इज अ ब्लॉक इन योर माइंड। मेरे माइंड में भी था, इट started opening when I really joined CBI, because I had to practically deal with the situations every day. If you are unsure, like, you cannot obviously know everything, if you are thinking about a legal situation and you are unsure कि इसमें क्या होना चाहिए, क्या remedy होना चाहिए, then search on the internet. Most of the time you will find your answer, most of the time you will find some judgment which pertains to your query, and you will find some extra judgment also, so you are going to gain something from that thinking and just being curious in your daily life. Okay, so again, judgments you have to keep adding, make it, do nothing, just keep adding judgment, keep reading judgment, keep making a note, small notes of it, and from live law, from website, or whatever source you have to add the judgment daily. Because and in both civil and criminal, दोनों में required है, of course दोनों में analytical questions आते हैं। So keep making short notes in your own, write in your own words, simple sentences में write in your own words कि उस judgment में क्या held हुआ है, simple एक line में लिख के उसको रख लो, and then you will see जब when there is the exam time, बहुत हैंडी होता है, बहुत जल्दी रिवाइज होता है जब आपने अपने शब्दों में कुछ लिखा है तो। I did the same thing for even for the essay writing, the short notes writing जो general language paper में पूछते हैं। First of all, read a newspaper. Newspaper का जो editorial section है, usually they have articles on the contemporary events which are happening on daily basis. उसमें भी the newspaper article is structured in a different manner, and you have to write an essay or a short note in an exam in a different manner. So you have read an article, try to understand what the article is trying to say, और उसको भी अपने words में make a separate register of the essay part, उसमें भी just keep on writing it daily, that suppose Me Too is happening, why, तो उस time when Me Too was happening, there was number of articles which were coming in the newspaper के अभी like people are posting, people are tweeting, इसका legal repercussion क्या होगा, can the people who are alleging, can they actually go to court, what is the limitation कैसे होगा, because now they're coming up with stories, the event happened maybe 20 years back. So they were discussing the POSH Act also as that time, the Prevention of Sexual Harassment, how this act will help the victims, or maybe the accused also. So keep making a short note when the event is happening, then you will, उस टाइम पे बहुत मटेरियल आ रहा होता है, later on it becomes difficult to search, maybe, or maybe you will not, you if even if you are searching, you may not be able to find good material, but when that event is actually happening, then more and more articles keep on coming every day, even on the internet also. So उसी टाइम पे उसको पढ़ते रहो, एंड जस्ट अपने शब्दों में उसको लिखते रहो, तो वो भी बहुत जल्दी फिर याद हो जाता है। और अब इंटरनेट पे वी हैव लाइव लो एक्सेट्रा, दे प्रोवाइड यू विद रेडीमेड कंटेंट, उसको भी अपने शब्दों में, ऐसे में भी, मैंने तो मतलब आई डिड दिस स्ट्रेटजी, मेरा तो यही था कि जस्ट कीप ऑन राइटिंग इट, एंड इट इम्प्रूव्स योर राइटिंग स्किल्स आल्सो। और वही हमें एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वही हमें एग्जाम में भी लिखना है। सो the curiosity, thinking more, and keep on adding judgment, keep on writing it in your own words, and just generally keeping yourself updated. कुछ हो रहा है, you should know कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, and I am aware of this event. और ये भी जरूरी है कि making note of it, because when we are reading about an event, about a judgment, उस time हमें लगता है okay, this is so much in news that I'm never going to forget it. You know, like when CA was happening, CA, we were reading articles every day, CA, NRC, NPR. But later on, when at the time of exam, we will be asked to write about CA, maybe we will have forgotten about the, maybe the dates, the 25th March, lo Assam में क्या history था, क्यों हुआ वहाँ पे. Some, it happens that it becomes very difficult to put it on paper actually. So लेकिन अगर आपने उसका नोट बना रखा है, आप उसको रिवाइज कर लेंगे, देन यू विल बी एबल टू राइट इट सीमलेसली, स्मूथलेसली इन द एग्जाम. So making note is also important. Just reading is also not important, क्योंकि ultimately you have to give exam. Exam नहीं देना, then of course you can read article and there is, you can forget about it also. So this was my strategy for mostly mains exam.